You are welcome to my channel. So this is Goal List Design. In this content, I'm going to be showing you on how to design with your Pixellab for beginners, step by step. Stick to the video while I take you through the process. So this is your base interface. This is your interface. Up here, this is our icon, and we have text. Add text. But this is not where I'm going to actually. I delete this. We also have current date. We have our cars. We have many options there, but I don't use this. We also have emoji. I use some of these a lot, but you guys also new to all this interface. But this is not where I'm going. Down we also have shapes. You can bring in your shapes from here also. I'm still going to go to that. I'm still going to take you through that process. We have gallery. You can bring your photo from your gallery. You can bring your photo from your gallery. You can bring it in, and zoom in, you can rotate. Here we also have our zoom in, so you get perfect on your working tools. You can also zoom out to ensure. Then down here we have our text. You tap on these twice, take you to the edit. To take you to the edit. You can add your text. You can also zoom and zoom out. And here we have delete, we have copy, we have move to front. This actually work on top of each layers. Move to front, to back, and also you have our position. You can move it to the right. You can also move it to the left. You can move it upward as well. And we also have relative position. You can move it to the position, left, center. So all this actually works to get perfect in your designs or in your project. Yes, size. You can also increase your size from it. You can reduce it. It depends on. You can also rotate here. Yes, you can rotate here as well. And you have your padding. This actually works when you come across some text and you see it cut like something like this. Yes, you see it something like this. So when you see something like that, all you have to do is to come to your padding and increase the left, increase the left padding, and you can see your text. You also come on the right padding too, so they help you in your design. So we move to color. You can change your color. You can change your color to any desire of your choice. Then down here you can also choose where you want your color to effect to, like something like this. So hello guys, please if you are beginners, subscribe to my channel. So that YouTube will share my video to more people. Also share with your friend. It will help them a lot. If they are beginners, these are what you're supposed to know. So here we also have textures. This also comes when you want to bring a text, a pictures of your work to effect on your text. You can also go to your gallery and choose your desire, but I don't want to go to that either, so that this video won't get too long. I don't want to take you through the process. There are also amazing content which you can use this textures effect on, but I'm still going to drop it on this channel. That's why I told you, so you can subscribe to this channel and like the video. Also on your notification bell, so that you keep getting amazing content. So here we have your opacity. You can reduce your opacity and you can hide. Let me change my font text so that you can see this boldly. Okay, let me use my Pixellab black italic. Yeah. So yes, I've worked on opacity. Then rotate. I've told you about it. You can also rotate here as well, but this is the easy way where you can rotate. So we also have font. Oh, max 2. This also comes, you see, we also use this to create amazing content. But if you want me to drop a tutorial on using Mac tools, you can put your comment in the comment section below, so I will drop it here for you. But I don't want to take you through this process so that this video won't get too long. You can also max out. You can see, guys, can you see this? You can also max out. I'm going to take you through this process. It depends on what you ask for. So comment in the comment section. Also like this video, share, subscribe. Please subscribe this video. Also you can bold your text. This can bold because I'm using a bold text already. You can change it to italic. You can underline, and you can also undo it. You also work here. Also you can choose the bold one that you want to bold. You can choose the one you want to bold. I'm not going to that. Yes, this. You also have curve. You can curve your text. Can you see this? Yes. You also have background. This comes when you want a background to effect on your text. You can also change the color. You can change the colors. Guys, can you see this? And this is the left padding. If you want to increase it, left padding. And this is the right padding. You can increase it to your desired taste. And down here we have top padding. Can you see this? And moving down we also have bottom padding. And here we also have curve. You can curve your design. But I'm not going to this actually. I'm just taking you through the process. Then here we have align. And choose right align. Okay, let me have more text so you can see this. So you can know how it works. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Yes. You can choose the right alignment. Can you see this? And we also have left align. We have centered align. And if you have a shadow, when you drop a shadow and you don't want the shadow to effect on it, you can adjust, justify either, justify. But I'm not going to this. Then we have spacing. You can increase to your desired taste. You can increase. And you also decrease it. You can also increase the word spacing. Can you see this? So this is how it works, guys. And the next we have line spacing. Guys, can you see? Can you see how it's spacing? So you can space it to your specifiers either. And here we have stroke. You can add your stroke. You can change your color. Either you want normal or gradient. Yeah. I can also take you on how to create a gradient, a crazy gradient manipulated. I can also take you through the process. It depends on what you want. You can just drop in your comment section and I will feedback to your content. Alright? And you can also increase your stroke. You can increase it. Can you see this? So you can increase. And here we have shadow. You can enable shadow. You can reduce the opacity. And here we have blur radius. You can blur. And here we have ultra glow. Guys, can you see this? And we have offset X. Let me increase my opacity so you can see it clearly. Guys, can you see? And we also have offset Y. So you can drop a shadow on your text, on your design, so your design will just be so the user won't just see it like how can this be drop on this. So you can drop a shadow to give them ideas to make your creative, and here we have inner shadow. You can enable. Can you see this? Can you see the effect? You can blur. And we also have offset X. And down offset Y. Can you see this? This is crazy. Oh, can you see this? And here we have emboss. Can you see this? This is breaking. So you can. But I'm going to take you through the process to solve this emboss problem. Either you can decrease. Can you see? Or if you increase it, it will make it break. Can you see? So this is actually a good effect. This is actually a good effect. And you see, guys. So guys, please like this video, on your notification bell to get amazing content. So I'm just taking you on the beginners. For beginners, this is what you need to know and practice each of those tools, each of those elements. Practice them to be more good. And we have intensity. You can increase. Can you see, guys? Can you see this? We have admit light. Guys, can you see this? And we also have blur. We also have blur. And here next we have perspective. This is a nice effect either. Guys, can you see? You can enable it to see your work. Honestly, for a beginner, there's no way you're gonna be perfect in this. So what I will advise you is to use your guide, your grade. Guys, can you see this? You can add and keep adding, and you can undo. And here you can increase option. And increase option. Guys, can you see this? Guys, you may have seen a design like this actually. You may have seen a design like this. So this work on effects. This make people attractive. Yes, it make people attractive. The nice pictures. So I'm going to show you on how to use the guide, on how to use the perspective. So I don't want this video to take too long. And here we have 3D rotate. You can rotate your text. And we have Y axis. You can undo 3D text. See, this is a nice feature. Guys, can you see? It's the same thing that happened to emboss, that happened to 3D either. But to solve this, you just stroke down, enable your stimulate lighting, enable it. Can you see this? Can you see the breaking is gone? Then you can increase the depth. And change your color, darken. It's a nice feature either. I can take you on how to use the 3D text. Just drop your comment section. I would love to hear from you. Can decrease your depth. Can you see this, guys? Can you see this? You can change your color. Guys, I don't want this to take too long either. So that's why I'm taking fast on it. Then you can bring it down. If you want a tutorial on this, you can just drop it in the comment section. And guys, what you don't understand, please drop it in the comment section so I can respond to you. What you don't understand, drop it in the comment section. And here we have 3D shadow. You can enable. Can you see this? But I don't use this a lot. I love to create my shadow either. Don't use this. You can change your color, opacity. You have so many options. Blur, you can blur, you can can blur, you can expand. Can you see? Expand. And we also have reflection. Can enable. Can you see? Guys, can you see this? I don't use this either actually. There's a nice feature. Guys, can you see? You can increase, you can decrease. Guys, so also here we also have our quick. We have it in English, we have it in French. This is a nice feature. Motivation. These are many options for you, but I don't use this. But it's an great option. Guys, can you see? We also have success, friendship, happiness, inspiration, positivity, absorb. Guys, there are 9 features. You can use them as well. Just tap on it to bring it to your interface. I don't use this. You guys know what I'm going to read that. And here we have our. Yes, this is where you can save. You can save your project. You can save it as my project. I'm not want to save this. You can save it as my project. Let me show you. Guys, when you are saving your project, don't save it like this. Back first, then save your work. Because if you bring it like this and save, when you go back to your project, you will see it scattered. This come in my text. It come to my project. This happens a lot in some of my projects before I get the solution on it. So just back and save. And here you can come and check your project. This is my project. Guys, can you see what I just saved now? Can you see this? And here we have, this is undo. I'm using this a lot in this tutorial. You can undo, zoom, guide. And here we have this is our work. And then here we have merge. You can merge text together. You can merge your text together. And you also on shape, you can merge your shape together as well. You can merge your shape together. Well, this is actually one. Let me show you on it. Just copy and just click on it and merge. But if you want me to give you a tutorial on how to create a custom shape, a cool custom shape, you can drop it in the comment section. Is what you desire, and I'm going to be taking through the process. Can you see this is merge? Can you see? And you can unmerge and undo. You can undo. Can you see? And also down here we have our, on this icon we have our rotate, vignette, nose, split. We have our brightness. This only work on your background. This only work on your background. So when you are using a background, this only work on background effects. Now our hue, you can increase. Can you see this? Guys, can you see this? It's a nice feature, but I don't like it because it's only work on background. It's only work on background. Saturation, you can increase and increase the saturation. Can you see this? And also here we have our option. Here you can change your background color. Guys, can you see this? You can change your background color. You can also use gradient. You can use gradient. You can create your own custom shape. You can create your own gradient on your own. If you tap on this plus icon, it will add to your, but if you tap on this, it will delete. You can add to your taste. You can add. You can choose color, but I don't want to go to this so that this video won't get too long. But if you want me to take you on the process, you can put it on your comment section. So I'm going to be showing you on how to use your shape, but I don't want to go to that. But if you want me to drop this, you can put it on your comment section that yes, I love this, I would like it to be our next tutorial. So we have a different option of shape here. Most of you are not new to this app, but it's a nice feature if you get to know it. Many of us don't know how to use this. And we also have our BZ too. BZ arrow. Have many type of option there, and you see guys, can you see? You can reduce your opacity, you can increase. And stroke size, and you see the can increase your size. Can increase your size. Can crop. Can choose image from your gallery. Transparency. This is transparency. You can make your background transparent, but I'm not going to that either. So guys, if you learn a lot from me, drop it in the comment section. If you really